Jake and Monica, inseparable friends, loved exploring the whispering woods behind their houses. Sunlight dappled through the leaves as they walked their usual path, the air alive with birdsong. Suddenly, a tiny voice, thin as a spider's thread, cried out, "Help!" Intrigued, they followed the sound, pushing aside ferns and dodging low-hanging branches. They found a squirrel, no bigger than Monica's hand, perched on a splintered branch. "My home!" he squeaked, his voice surprisingly deep for his size. "The storm? It knocked down my oak tree." The squirrel, who introduced himself as Oliver, explained that his winter food supply was buried under the fallen branches. His tiny eyes welled with worry. Jake, ever the pragmatist, immediately started assessing the situation. "We need to find him a new home and get his food," he said, his brow furrowed in concentration. Monica, always brimming with ideas, suggested a hollow stump she noticed earlier. It was perfectly sized for a squirrel's nest. They worked together, a well-oiled machine. Jake carefully cleared away the debris from around the fallen oak, revealing Oliver's stash of acorns. Monica, with her nimble fingers, gathered soft moss and leaves for a cozy nest inside the stump. Jake, using his ingenuity, fashioned a tiny ladder from twigs and vines, ensuring Oliver could easily access his precious acorns. The sun began to dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple as they finished their task. As they stepped back to admire their handiwork, a golden light enveloped Oliver. He swelled slightly, his fur shimmering. "Thank you," he said, his voice now echoing with power. "I am not just a squirrel. I am the guardian of this wood. Your kindness, your selfless help, it has touched me deeply. As a reward, I give you this." He offered them a single acorn, radiating a soft, warm glow. "This acorn will guide you. It will shine whenever someone nearby needs your help." Holding the glowing acorn, Jake and Monica walked home, their hearts full. They had helped a creature in need, and in doing so, received a magical gift. As they reached the edge of the woods, the acorn pulsed brightly. "Looks like another adventure is about to begin," Monica exclaimed, a grin spreading across her face. Jake, nodding in agreement, felt a surge of excitement. Their kindness quest had just begun.